Oh. Yes, hi, honey. It's so good to see you. Yes, it is. It's so good to see you. Did you miss me? Did you miss me, sweet girl? Come here. Oh, hang on. Hold the phone. Did you miss me? Come here. Oh, did you miss me? That's your puppies. That's your puppies, honey. Hi. Dusty's in the house. This message is brought to you by all the cuteness in the world. Oh, look. Somebody's curious. Yes. Dusty. That is your baby. Oh. You sniffing out the treats, Mommy? Sit. Can you sit? Can you sit, beautiful? Sit down, sit. Dusty, sit. Sit. Dusty, sit. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Dusty, here. Someone's treat motivated. So, I'm not going to say much. I mean, do I really have to say anything? Huh? This is Daphne. She's one of Dusty's puppies. Yes, Boo, she's a big old pit bull, and she's so lovey-dovey. Somebody smells like poop. It's probably me. Dusty, can you look here? Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Okay, here we go. It's so good. And this is see, that was Daphne. Okay, honey, I see. Okay, sit. Okay, let's say hi to everybody. Dusty, can you say hi to everybody? Okay, and this is Duncan. This is Duncan. Duncan and Daphne. Here. Duncan and Daphne and Dusty. All the D's. It's kind of like Bella and all the bees. Oh my God. I love them. I can feel their little hearts beating. I love them so much. Dusty, show everybody what a good girl you are. Dusty, can you sit? Dusty, can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. No. Sit. She just belched in my face. It's great. Sit. Can you sit, Dusty? Here we go. I'll give it to you. I don't even care. You don't even have to sit. Give me kisses. Hey. So I'm just chilling out here in a kennel. See, these are my new digs. See that? Say hi, Dusty. Say hi. All right, I'm gonna let y'all get. So, And I'm going to continue to chillax with the pups. So, I know you're sad you're not me. Dusty. She's a beauty. Give me a kiss. See that? I love her. All right, catch y'all on the flip. Bye. See ya. I'm going to feed these pups. I'm not going to feed them. I'm just going to hold them. Catch y'all later. This cuteness is brought to you by the VHS. Yes.